Don't forget to subscribe, guys. It means so much. Thanks. How's it going, guys? My name is Mega Miles, and welcome to a really important update for the Swirl filter. It's working wonderfully, but I made a really simple change to my DIY that makes a world of difference for maintenance, and I wanted to share it with you guys before you build like your swirl filter according to my specifications, because I actually ended up building a brand new one because this makes it so much better. So I wanted to share, this is what you do, and here we go. Guys, this is an absolute must. This modification from the butyl tape to this rubber gasket, so important for maintenance. With the butyl tape, it was a total disaster as far as pulling off this lid. There was sticky goo everywhere. I dreaded cleaning this out. So with this rubber gasket, look at this. No mess. Comes off super easy. Sorry to gross you out with the duck poop, but all I've done, measure the circumference, put the seal on, siliconed it with some waterproofing. By the way, I've linked everything in the description. But you have to be sure, you have to measure your barrel, the lip, the width and the height of it, because they vary from barrel to barrel, and if you don't, that rubber gasket might not fit, and then the lid to the barrel itself won't close once it's on. So double check that. Then as far as maintenance goes, you just spray out the barrel. It's really that simple. For my ducks, I've got 2 ducks. I have to do it like maybe like once every week or a week and a half. Then you just close the drain, you know, obviously with the lid back on, and you're all set. It makes life so easy. Alright guys, so point of the story is make sure if you build the swirl filter and your system's under pressure that you do the rubber seal instead of like that butyl tape or whatever, because that butyl tape, once it like sets up, it like and is exposed to heat, it becomes the biggest gluey mess you could ever think of. So yeah, don't do that. It's great, it works, but it's a mess when you want to have something that you can take the lid off and clean and stuff like that. So this other method is really great. I probably said it like in the video clips, but make sure you measure like the lip of your barrel and like the height, because if it has one of those clamps, you've got like this much room to like work with. So you have to make sure that that clamp will still work with the rubber seal, if that makes sense. So but that way you've got a liquid tight seal that can be pressurized slightly for a pressure filter. So hopefully that helps you guys. Let me know if you actually build a swirl filter based off my DIY and how it performs for you, because I'm really curious. One other thing I'll note is I'll actually build it for you if I've got the time. So just let me know and we can talk about the logistics about it. So yeah, be sure to leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that jazz. Either way, I'll see you in the next one.